Good or bad weather? Did you have good weather in Lisbon? The weather holds out. There couldn't be many better places to ride your bike, providing the weather holds out. The weather turns. When the weather turns hot, Americans crave celebrity. The weather breaks. As soon as the weather breaks, we'll go find her. It was warm and sunny until the weekend, but then the weather broke. Weather permitting. The picnic will be held at a park, weather permitting. Good, nice, lovely weather. It's not hot, not cold, just very nice weather. Glorious, beautiful, perfect weather. It was glorious weather, so we decided to go for a picnic. Bad, awful, dreadful, terrible weather. Put on more clothing if you see approaching bad weather or if the temperature drops. Unpredictable weather. Builders also have to take into account unpredictable weather. Hot, cold weather. When you breathe out in cold weather, you can see your breath. Fine, sunny, fair, dry weather. Enjoy the spacious rooms in this hotel and use the garden and terrace to relax in sunny weather. Wet, rainy weather. Storms and rainy weather were a constant challenge, creating muddy conditions. Windy, stormy weather. It must be crazy to go out in this stormy weather. The weather forecast. According to the weather forecast, we are in for a severely cold winter this year. Weather conditions. Long traveling distances and hard weather conditions also favor rail transport. Weather patterns. Recent variations in weather patterns show that monsoon rains occur after swift seasonal change.